At the top left corner, go to File, go all the way down to Move to Trash, and then click Move to Trash again. So the file has been moved to the trash bin. Now let's say, for example, you accidentally deleted a file or design that you did not intend to move to the trash and you want to recover it. So if you're using the Canva desktop version of Canva, go to the top left corner and click Open Menu. And at the bottom, click Trash. Here are all the trashed designs, images, videos, and files that have been trashed previously. So if you want to recover a design, all you have to do is click on the three dots and then Restore. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.